Wearable technology is devices which can be borne by the user, and simultaneously process and display the relevant information on the wearer. In this course, you will build a wearable health monitoring glove, which can be borne and used to display the heart rate of any individual, on the display mounted on the glove. The pulse on a person is sensing using a pulse sensor, which senses information to the LilyPad Arduino board, which subsequently process the information, and commands the display module to display the heart rate. As part of this course, you will learn about the design and integration of different components onto a wearable fabric, and also learn to program the LilyPad Arduino board, which is designed for purposes of the wearable technology. The course is based on Skyfi Labs Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures your learning of technical concepts, in addition to building the project with your own hands, using the kit. A topic like wearable technology can be learned only by building projects. And Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Kits required will be shipped to you within 24 hours. And you can finish the project within 1 week, from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. With Skyfi Labs, you will not just build the project with a definite output, but also learn the concepts, so you can easily crack the interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by building projects.